welcome. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. You have read the title of this video, you have seen the thumbnail of this video. Yes, today we are going to unwrap this phone. This is it, last day. So without wasting much time, let's first take this cover off. Yeah, we have to take this cover off this and we'll take this out. So let me just, and I'm not sitting on my table, I'm currently sitting on a stool. Okay. Uh, so the cover actually came out. This is the phone and it's pretty much clean. I'm not saying this in sarcasm, it's really clean. So we'll keep this aside because we don't need this currently. And well, I want to show you something special that I did to my phone. So if you can see, okay, it's coming in mirror, so I can't do anything with that. It says unicorn camo version 1 and okay guys, so there is going to be a background noise. So this is the cover right here. So there is a Lamborghini Murcielago sticker. So first we are going to take this out, and before that I'm just gonna tell you today's video is sponsored. Yes, I have sponsors. So today's video is sponsored by So today's video is actually sponsored by my channel. Yes, today my video is sponsored by my channel. I'm repeating that word, and they gave me these. So I'm going to unwrap this thing. So first let's get a tool to actually take this sticker off because it is a sticker and it is sticky. So I'm just gonna take something that I can use. Wait for a second. Okay guys, I had a blade but currently I'm not able to find it, so I'm just gonna use my compass and I'm just gonna take it out. Before that, enjoy the montage that I made for this phone for the last time. So enjoy that and I'll meet you after that. Till then, all eyes on me. All eyes on me. About to go in. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. About to go in.
Okay.
Whoa, come back, come back. I know you enjoyed the montage, so are you kidding me? Okay, so you saw the montage, it was really nice. That was the first time I have created that. Okay, so let's start the process of unwrapping this. And it is kind of raining today, so there was no sunlight, so I couldn't warm this all up, and I think it is going to be sticky because it is a cello tape. So without wasting much time, let's start this. And I know you enjoyed my montage. That was the first time I have ever made. Okay, so first let's take this sticker out. Okay, I'm not doing that, it's not good. Okay, so first I did a first layer of the tape, then I pasted the wrap that I have, and then I pasted another layer of sellotape. So both of the layers are going to come off together, I guess. Yes, I don't know if it is going to be satisfactory or not. Let me zoom in. I'm sorry. It's been days since I have seen this, and it is sticky over here. You can see it's sticky. Whoa. This was on my phone from I don't know okay, how many weeks, I really don't know. Let me take this also off. Oh, okay, that was bad. This is what my phone looked like when it was not wrapped. Okay guys, so I'm not going to crumble it down. I'll paste this on a piece of paper. I'll tell you later what I am going to do. So let me just first paste this all on the paper. Okay, we'll paste it safely. I'll tell you what I am going to do. Definitely don't worry. Okay, I lost some part of the wrap. Okay, and I am really sorry for the background music that is actually happening. I can't actually help with that. I can't do anything, so we'll leave it like that. So it's currently on a paper, and I want to show you something that I did some time ago. So let me pause the video. So in the last video where I slayed a calculator, if you have not checked that video out, go and just see it. So do you remember this? So in that video I told you that I would really keep this and preserve. Okay, I would preserve a memory, so I preserved it, and this is on the second list. This is second on the list. So I am going to preserve this also like this, so that it becomes a memory. When I'll make more videos, I may get famous, so I need something so that I can keep it as a memory. So thank you for seeing that. And yes, today's video was sponsored by me. Yes, my channel sponsored me. So you have to just do a thing. Down there you are seeing us, it says SUBSCRIBE, subscribe. Yes, if you are able to see that, then press on that. you are not never going to regret it. So just try to click that, and if you are able to see on the other side, like, it just looks like that. So press that on, and if it turns blue, then leave it there, and if it doesn't, then keep pressing it till it gets blue. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I really can't do anything. So that's the reason why I don't upload my videos, because this noise is continuously there from months and months. Like construction is going on around my house so much, like in that house, that house, now it's there. So I can't actually help about that, and I can't do anything. So that's why I get always late in putting up the videos, because I'm not able to record them, and if I'm not recording them, then there is no point of actually uploading, because there is nothing with me. So thank you guys for watching, and today I did a nice light setup. This was the torch that was on the side, if you can see, and something is coming from up. If you are thinking this is a small thing, then what do you think about this? Now you are not able to see me. Don't think this is not a car light, this is an emergency light that we are using, and I don't have a glow light, so I'm using this, as it just looks good. Now it looks incomplete, and when I actually turn this on, it looks good. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye, have a nice day, make sure to subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one with another Minecraft video. And soon the version 2 for my phone wrap is coming. I know you can guess what it would be, because I am trying to copy someone, okay. So I'm not unwrapping. Oh, okay, it's here. So this is the volume button, if you can see. So I actually wrapped this also, and it took a lot of time in doing that. So I'm not unwrapping this, and I hope that you were able to hear me in this voice. So I'll meet you in the next one with a new wrap soon, because I'm not doing a wrap right now, because it is so it is currently summer, and it gets hot, it gets warm here. I cannot make an intake, I cannot cut this cover, so I'm not doing it now, mainly after 2 to 3 months, and then we'll see what we are gonna do, what is going to be the next design with a new car sticker on it. So you have to subscribe to this channel, because you are not going to regret it. Okay, I'll close this, and it's been so many days since I have seen this like this black. It is a metallic black, but as it got some scratches on it, and it's not that polished what it was when it was new, and it looks good. Thank you guys for watching till here. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video and the montage. That was my first montage. I've told that another time. Okay, so I'll end this video. Bye and peace. I'm not able to pause my video.